In today's video, we're gonna go from this mess to this well-organized pile of sweaters using this simple tool. If you're new here, hello, I am Cheva, the proud owner of Nicolaggio, and this is the fastest way I have found to fold the sweaters and t-shirts and hoodies for my small business. And today we're gonna use this cozy sweater. We're gonna place it facing down right in the center of the folding tool, making sure that we are not trespassing any edges. Anything that is left from the bottom, we are gonna bring it in, and also we're gonna do the same with the sleeves. As you can see, I am forming a square. Let me tell you, it's super easy peasy Japanesey, as I like to call it. After that, we're gonna fold the sides left and right, whichever you want first, and then we're gonna flip the bottom part, and voila, everything is done. We're gonna have a perfectly folded sweater in just a matter of seconds. Now that part that you see that is off in the back is what actually helped me, or at least that's what I think, is what helps me to make sure that my sweaters are flat and not bulky. Now that I have shown you how well it comes when I use the tool, I am gonna show you how I used to do it without the tool when I didn't have it. I still think that is decent, but now that I have the tool, I am super happy because I am saving time and the things are coming out nicely. Okay. As you can see, it looks flimsy, it's wider when you put one on the side of the other one, but I'm gonna show you from another angle how it looks. So now we're gonna work with a size small. It's super easy. We're gonna align the sweater with the tool. We're gonna try to make everything fit inside that tool, and it's easy to work with size small because it's size small. It's a little material. So we're gonna flip in and then flip the bottom part up, and there you go, easy peasy Japanesey. You're gonna save a lot of space using this tool, using this method. This is an extra large, and even when you work with t-shirts and hoodies, it's the same technique. Lay it flat, center it, make your square, fold the sizes, flip the bottom. It's super simple. Now this folding tool, as you can see, is very small, it's lightweight, and it's incredibly easy to use. Trust me, it's a game changer for saving space and keeping your closet and your inventory mostly organized. You can make this in probably 5 to 10 seconds. It is amazing. Look at this, super nice. And now look at mine, like, what's that? And that's a large. The one that I just did is an extra large. Let me know in the comments how many sweaters you think I folded that day and how long it took me. You're gonna be surprised when you hear the response. You can also fold hoodies, t-shirts. That's what I did, and what I'm thinking, like, out of my head, towels, blankets, your ropes, things like that. Like, believe me, your closet is gonna be different in a good way. I forgot to mention that I got this tool on Amazon, and a tip for you is to choose or to pick the right size. There is one for adults, one for kids. A lot of people were complaining that the ones that they got were too small, but just make sure that you get the one for the size that you need, adult or kid. Thanks for joining me today, you guys. Happy folding, and I will catch you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, and also don't forget to check Nicolajo for self-defense items, cups, and sweaters. Goodbye.